Let's learn how to fix TikTok not opening. So TikTok is known for having a lot of bugs that maybe appeared on your phone too. No worries, it's just an everyday bug that happens from time to time. Follow my steps to learn how to fix it. By the way, you can also stay until the end of video for some bonus tips. So let's start. If you can't open TikTok, you can try clearing it from app switch stuff. Remove application so device can refresh in background, and try opening TikTok again if it still don't works. That you will have to offload the app from the device settings for iOS and for Android users. You will have to clear application cache also from settings. Now let us go to Settings app. Once you are there, scroll a bit down until you find General section. Tap it so it can lead us to the new page. Once you are there, seek and click on this iPhone storage option. This option will show you the list of all applications on your phone and how much memory they take. Now scroll down until you find a TikTok app and tap there. After that, new screen will show up with this two buttons. For now, tap only this blue offload button. It will basically reinstall the app, update it, and refresh it. They may fix your current problem. When pop-up appear, press on offload again and wait a bit. Now new reinstall button will appear. Click again and wait until TikTok finish installing. Now if any of this didn't help, it may be because this bug may appear because you have very low free space left, so you can try clearing it by removing some unnecessary photos, apps, or whatever you have on your phone that you don't need. Now if this also didn't help, try to delete a TikTok completely and install it again and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.